this is the Stanley. Parang ito yung sweet spot actually namin ni Mommy. Wow! Love! Look at this! Yung walling niyan, ang ganda. Fam, so this is the Stanley. Let's see the 2,000 square feet. Diba? So, parang ito yung sweet spot actually namin ni Mommy na gusto. Yan. So, from there, kasi garahe yon, dito tayo manggagaling sa entrance. And, ayan. Okay din siya. Maganda din. Medyo maluwag. At dito kayo magbibihis. And also, of course, the closet. At facing siya ng stairs. So, may fixtures lang dito. Go to the left. Ayan. So, from the garage, actually, meron ka ditong magandang space for your jacket, grocery. Lalagay mo muna dyan. And again, may closet dito. Tapos dito tayo, fam. Balik tayo ng konti. Again, stairs to. Go straight. Meron kang powder room na napakagandahang cozy nito. Ayan. And then to the right, at least, fam. Ayan, I could see it's developed.
Daddy,
Yeah?
the girl said there's a girl
The lady?
that has a fluffy.
Okay, you can check it out if you want. Okay. So, they have a separate entrance here. And it looks like develop yung basement nito, love. So, let's check it out later.
So nice.
Yeah. And, wow. Love. Look at this. 2,000 lang to. On the right is the office, which you could close if you want. And then you could turn it into a bedroom as well. But, love, look at this.
I love that.
Compared to the 2,300 and the 2,200 a while ago. Diba? This is airy and really nice. So, coming there, fam pala. Balik tayo doon, balik tayo. Parang ako ang naguluhan eh. Ayan. So, coming from the garage, meron ka nitong napakalaking walk-through na pantry. Okay? Boom. Kitchen. Saktong size lang. Which is really nice. Sakto siya. Sakto siya. Wood and very spacious. And again, fam, 2,000 square to compared dun sa earlier na dalawang bahay, 22 and 2,300 yun. Pero ito, mas malaki yung feeling talaga. So ito, again, napakaganda. Crush ko talaga ang white nito, love pala. Parang gusto ko ng white talaga. Okay, and the dining. And then the living room. Ayan. So quick pan tayo dito. Ang ganda ng pagkakaset up nila, love. Mas gusto ko to. Tsaka hindi, syempre, 2,000 square, kahit na anong sabihin mo, may 200 or 300, ewan ko kung saan napunta yun. Bakit ganun? Kasi ito, mas spacious siya eh. At gusto ko tong, love, detail na to. Yung walling niyan, ang ganda. Tingnan. So, close up natin yan, fam, mamaya. Okay? And, so dito, meron kang balcony. Or meron kang lanay ba or what na tawag dyan. So, comment down below, fam, kung ano ang tawag sa ganito. Minsan naguguluhan na ako eh. Terrace or balcony or lanay, iba-iba yung term. Siguro terrace siya. So, punta tayo dito. Quick pan naman tayo. Dito sa living room. Ayan. Napakaganda na itong detail na to. So, from here, sa gilid, quick pan. There you go. Wow. Nice. And again, close up natin to, fam. Gusto ko tong detail na to. It's just that, of course, pag may nanonood ng TV, tatagos siya. And kung may nagmi-meeting dito, diba? So far, ang ganda ng setup nitong 2,000 square na to na bahay. Let's go to the basement. Let's go up. Okay. Wow. Ayan, good windows. May lights na tumatagos. Daylight. And go to the left muna tayo. Napakagandang family room. For a while. Ayan. So, quick pan tayo. Dito. Ganda. Tapos ang view pala nito, fam, ay road. So, magandang view siya. Maluwag na view.
The pink room.
First,
Gustong-gusto
common room. Oh, wow. The girl room. Ayan. Good size room. Ang ganda ng mga fixtures na nilagay nila dito, fam. Ganda naman ito. Ayan. So, ayan ang view from the girl room or the pink room, sabi ni Kathleen. Sa baba. Okay.
Girl and boy talaga.
And ito naman, boy room naman siya. Oo. Football, soccer naman ang theme nito.
Yan o.
Ayan, so quick pan tayo dito. Syempre, meron silang good size dito. A closet. So, quick pan. Ayan. Good size, good size. Kasya ang kahit na king size bed dito kung gusto mo, fam. Pero syempre, masyado siyang malaki. Queen, kasya. Double deck, kasya. And side wall ang view niya. Okay. So, nakakaisang room na tayo. Pangalawang room. And let's see dito sa hallway. First, common pero full bath. So, para to sa dalawang rooms dito. And mommy's favorite.
Alam mo, I think okay yung ganito kasi you still have saved the space.
Yeah. Pero it depends.
Yeah.
Kasi kung ibababa mo naman yan, you could put all the other half naman.
Yeah, it depends. Yeah.
Yeah. So, it
So, you can
depends
put,
kung ano ang
ano
gusto
din
mo.
dito
Yeah. So, yan. May parang pwede ka dyang mag-iron.
Yeah.
Lalagyan mo dyan ng madaming cabinets. Diba? So, ganda. Meron siyang laundry room mismo. Ito ba? Okay. Linen closet. And let's go to the master's bedroom. So, quick pan agad tayo para ma-feel kung gaano kalaki.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Backyard.
Laki. And anong bed to? Alam? Anong size na to? King? Or queen?
King to.
King, no? So, ang ganda, oh. And
There's a lot of pillows.
going here to the left ay ang kanilang bathroom. Syempre, his and hers agad. So, good size. Not overly big, but it's really good size. Ang cute naman ng bathtub. No?
Yeah.
Pero mas maganda yung tiles nung kanina. Pero yeah. Again, ang basic nito, fam, ay nasa 700 to. So, kung may GST pa na less, first time home buyer, nasa 600 na lang to. 650. Around there. Kasi GST din is 5% din of the cost.
Yep.
So, again, nasa Alberta tayo. So, wala kaming PST. GST lang. Ayan, meron silang...
Ang ganda ng magkahiwalay sa
Yeah, yun yung
Just
gusto
yung
ko din.
idea.
Yeah. Kasi nga, di ba parang nagkakamold daw yung kasi because of the moisture. So, hindi
may
ideal na
shower,
magkasama. Yeah, so ito, walk-in.
walking closet. Pwede
Tapos
isang
meron
room na to.
talagang window. Oo nga. Technically, pwede siyang isang room. Kunyari may baby ka, tapos gusto mong medyo private yung baby mo, pwede. At saka may window eh. Oh.
Yep.
Okay, fam. So, let's go down at Sakto Love na develop basement siya. So, let's check it out. Ayan, fam, oh. Quick pan dito. Ganda. Duwag. Okay. Let's go. Kausap ni Lian si Kathleen, yung agent.
Nakaset na, oh.
Yeah, so may separate entrance talaga, syempre. So, pwedeng business to. Income siya. May door pa talaga dito. And hindi pala siya develop, fam. So, nagkamali kami ni mommy. Hanggang dun lang pala dinevelop nila. Ang maganda dito, love, nasa area to, hindi siya nasa gitna.
Correct.
So, pwede mo siyang i-box in and you could still have this one.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
Kasi what you can do is you could extend the hallway here.
Yeah.
Tapos this is still yours para may access ka. Kung gusto mong ipa-rent
Or
itong
going business or what.
buo. Like, i-develop mo to into business or
Tsaka
like,
ang ganda, ang daming window.
o nga. So, isang room. So, isang room dito. Second room. Dito yung living room plus kitchen. 'Di ba? So, ang ganda, fam. 1,000 square lang to. Again, fam. Yung nakita natin earlier is 22 and 23. So, ito, 2,000 square. Napakaganda. So, let's visit the last show home na mapupuntahan natin dito. That's on the next video. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, Alba Fam Bam. And hit that bell for more show homes. And I'll see you. I'm loose.